Well, clear ho yung relevancy ng mga taon from 2007 to 2024, no? Kasi doon ho yung pagkakumpara at paghahambing noon po nga paglaki po ng yaman. At doon po din manggagaling yung po nga pagpapaliwanag kung explainable or unexplainable wealth po ba ito. Kumbaga, we cannot simply rely on existing years, no, from 2022 to date para ho maipakita ito pong pattern na ito. Kasi in the first place, ang paliwanag naman po ng mga supporters po ng pangalawang Pangulo, yung pong kanyang current na kayamanan ay iniluluwal hindi lamang ng kanyang sahod, kundi ng kanila pong mga negosyo, katulad ng ice plant, at nung kanila pong trabaho bilang mga abogado. So, very important ho yung tie. Meron pong tie to the current years Hindi ba? Ng 2022 to 2024. No? So, I don't think magmamatter po yung binabanggit na previous to 2022, hindi po dapat siya kasama. Kasi nga, what we would want to be able to establish is the actual pattern and the actual year-on-year growth, no, of all of these financial documents. And we would want to be able to see it. Pwede ho yan kung we are tying them only for impeachment relating to 2007 to 2022. Talagang wala ho tayong pag-uusapan doon. But we are talking about an actually existing SALN for 2023 and 2024. So, doon ho manggagaling yung pagbabatayan ng pong look back going to 2007.